Welcome back to QuizWizZ. Can you guess 25 animals by riddles? This quiz will test your animal knowledge. Are you ready? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's go. First riddle. I am the king of the jungle, and my roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Who am I? It's lion. Next riddle. I don't drink water with my mouth. I soak it through my skin. Who am I? It's frog. I have black and white stripes, and no two of us have the same pattern. Who am I? It's zebra. I'm known as man's best friend and can smell way better than humans. Who am I? It's a dog. I'm the biggest land animal, and I'm the only one that can't jump. Who am I? It's an elephant. I love to swing from trees and use sticks to get insects. Who am I? It's monkey. I have orange and black stripes, but did you know my skin is striped too? Who am I? It's tiger. I carry my home on my back, and it's part of my skeleton. Who am I? It's turtle. I can't fly, but I'm a super fast swimmer in icy waters. Who am I? It's penguin. I slither on the ground, but some of my family can swim or even glide through the air. Who am I? It's snake. I have a super long neck, and I can lick my own ears with my tongue. Who am I? Giraffe. I'm the loudest animal in the ocean, and my calls can be heard for miles. Who am I? It's a whale. I make honey and tell my friends where flowers are by dancing. Who am I? It's a bee. I eat bamboo for almost half the day. Who am I? It's panda. I can hop, but I can't walk backward. Who am I? It's kangaroo. I live in the ocean and have 3 hearts. Who am I? It's an octopus. I sleep up to 20 hours a day and have a wild mane. Who am I? It's koala. I purr to make myself feel better and heal faster. Who am I? It's a cat. I have sharp spines, but I can float on water because my spines trap air. Who am I? It's a hedgehog. I move so slowly that green algae can grow on my fur. Who am I? It's sloth. I'm the fastest land animal, running up to 60 miles per hour. Who am I? It's tiger. I live where it's icy and cold, and my fur keeps me warm, but underneath my skin is black. Who am I? Polar bear! I change colors to blend in, and my tongue is as long as my body. Who am I? It's chameleon. I can turn my head almost all the way around, 270 degrees. Who am I? It's an owl! I love to nibble on cheese, and my whiskers help me feel around in the dark. Who am I? It's a mouse! Pick your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe.